Hey everyone, since you guys are here, we have already got your problem covered. You are looking forward to making passive income from the comfort of your home, isn't it? And who can deny the fact that affiliate marketing is the best option out of all? When you finally enter affiliate marketing, you don't really need any product, services, or anything. All you need is a good amount of traffic and send it to someone else's products to get a fair commission. While it may seem to be a great way to start up with your own side hustle, in this way, you're truly not establishing your own business. All the efforts that you are making to sell out someone's products or services are only bound to $1 and one sale at a time. So, basically, in this video, we are going to tell you how you can modify the way of your affiliate marketing and come up with more sales and make more revenue. Yes, we are going to disclose how you can implement chatbots in your affiliate marketing process. So, without any further ado, let's get into the video. The old model of affiliate marketing. Let's have a look at the old model of processing affiliate marketing. How are we really used to do that? Decide on a platform. There are many different ways to get started with affiliate marketing. You can start a blog, create a YouTube channel, or build a website. You even choose the platform you're most comfortable with and think will be most effective for reaching your target audience. Choose your niche. Once you've decided on a platform, it's time to choose your niche. What are you going to be promoting? What products or services are you passionate about? Choose a niche that you know you can write great content about and that has the potential for high affiliate commissions. Find affiliate programs to join. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to find affiliate programs to join. There are many different programs out there, so take some time to research and find the ones that are a good fit for you and your niche. The three most recommendable affiliate networks are Amazon, JVZoo, and ClickBank. As one of the largest online retailers in the world, Amazon offers a huge opportunity for affiliate marketers. Signing up for the Amazon Associates program can earn commissions on products sold through Amazon.com. However, there are a few downsides. The most prominent is that the commission rates can be lower than other affiliate networks, meaning you may not earn as much per sale. JVZoo is also a great network for promoting digital products. They have a wide range of products, and the commissions you can earn are very good. ClickBank is another great network for promoting digital products. They have a wide range of products, and the commissions you can earn are very good. We recommend ClickBank more than JVZoo because they have more products that convert well and the commissions are higher. Create great content. This is one of the most important steps in the affiliate marketing process. You need to create high-quality content that will drive traffic to your affiliate site and convince people to click on your affiliate links. Drive traffic to your affiliate site. Once you have great content, it's time to start driving traffic to your site. There are many different ways to do this, so find the ones that work best for you and your niche. Get clicks on your affiliate links. Once traffic comes to your site, it's time to start getting clicks on your affiliate links. This is how you'll make money from affiliate marketing. Convert clicks to sales. The final step in the affiliate marketing process is converting clicks into sales. This is where you'll need to have great persuasive skills to convince people to buy the products or services you're promoting. Why isn't this way the best way to make money? So, now you know where to get the products and other important information to get started with affiliate marketing. But, do you know that this is actually not the best or most profitable way to do things? Let us tell you the reason. When you try to attract traffic by paying for an ad or doing it organically, you are actually not attracting free traffic. You are already paying for the people more than even you will get as a commission. And in this way, you are not establishing a list of people who can be your regular visitors. However, in the past few years, people have become quite wise, so they are now developing a bridging page between the ad and the product. This bridge page can be some sort of free giveaway, discount, or anything else that would captivate the visitors. But what would be its advantage? The crystal clear benefit for an affiliate marketer here is that they would be receiving their traffic's email addresses, and they'll be able to send follow-ups for other products. That's not a challenge to understand, right? The more clicks you will get, the more sales you'll have. But what is the real problem here? Assume what if the bridge page has only an opt-in rate of 50%? This means only half of the traffic will be able to see the affiliate offers you're sending, and you are losing half of the audience. This is the step where the whole theory proves to be a failure, and the traditional sales funnels start to have a decreasing return. So that was the old affiliate marketing model and a reason why it's not a good option. Integrate automated chatbots in your affiliate marketing. As an affiliate marketer, you always seek ways to increase your earnings. And one of the most effective ways to do this is by sending traffic to your chatbot. And this is also a new way of affiliate marketing that you should know. Why is this so important to send your traffic to chatbots and not to the squeeze or bridge pages? Well, first of all, it allows you to build a relationship with your visitors. This is essential if you want to convert them into customers. And second, it allows you to get your message across in a more personal way. When you're sending traffic to an affiliate offer or a squeeze page, you're essentially just throwing your message out there and hoping that someone will bite. But when you're sending traffic to your chatbot, you're engaging in a conversation. This allows you to sell your product or service and build that relationship with your visitors. So if you're not already using chatbots in your affiliate marketing efforts, I highly recommend that you start. It's an incredibly effective way to increase your earnings. And it's a lot of fun too. If you're not sure how to get started, there are a few different options. You can either use a chatbot service like ChatFuel or ManyChat or build your own chatbot using a platform like BotPress. As an affiliate marketer, you can make money by promoting chatbot and earning a commission on every sale that you generate. There's no doubt that chatbots can be extremely beneficial for affiliate marketing. By providing a live chat service, you can quickly and easily connect with potential customers who are interested in what you're selling. This makes it easier to sell products and allows you to build relationships with potential customers and get their feedback in real time. Chatbots are computer softwares that simulate human conversation. They can be used to help promote products or services and can even handle customer service inquiries. Let's crack a few ways that chatbots can help you make more money from affiliate marketing. Help you promote products or services. As an affiliate marketer, one of your primary goals is to promote the products or services that are in line with your strategy. Chatbots can be a great way to do this. Because they can simulate human conversation, chatbots can be used to engage with potential customers and promote the products or services that you are promoting. This can be a great way to increase sales and income from affiliate marketing. Handle customer service inquiries. Another way that chatbots can help you make more money from affiliate marketing is by handling customer service inquiries. If you are promoting a product or service, there will inevitably be some customer service inquiries. Chatbots can be used to handle these inquiries and can even help resolve issues. This can save you a lot of time and can also increase sales and income from affiliate marketing. Increase conversion rates. One of the most important goals of any affiliate marketer is to increase conversion rates. Chatbots can be a great way to do this. Since automated chatbots are good at simulating human conversation, they can be used to captivate potential customers and promote products, making it a great way to increase sales and income from affiliate marketing. Save you time. Another benefit of chatbots is that they can save you a lot of time. If you spend a lot of time promoting products or services, chatbots can help you free up some time. This can be a great way to increase sales and income from affiliate marketing. Help you scale your business. As your affiliate marketing business grows, you will likely want to scale it up. Chatbots can be a great way to do this. Because they can help you automate tasks, chatbots can help you scale your business without having to hire additional staff. This can be a great way to increase sales and income from affiliate marketing. Finally, chatbots can be a great way to increase sales and income from affiliate marketing. If you are an affiliate marketer, then you should consider using chatbots to help you promote your products or services. Chatbots can help you save time, increase conversion rates, and even help you scale your business. Click on the link below to register and learn more about transforming your business using chatbots. That was all for today's video. We will be back with more tips, so wait for our next video. Till then, bye-bye.